How to cook seared sea bass with cannellini beans. Ingredients: 4/6 ounce sustainable skinless sea bass fillets, 3/4 teaspoon kosher salt, divided, ½ teaspoon black pepper, divided, 3 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, divided, 5 garlic cloves, sliced, 2 teaspoons fresh thyme leaves, 8 cherry tomatoes, quartered, about ½ cup, 2/3 cup unsalted chicken stock, 1 15-ounce can unsalted cannellini beans, rinsed and drained, 5 ounces fresh baby spinach, 2 tablespoons fresh lemon juice, 1 ounce pitted Castelvetrano olives, quartered, about 1/3 cup. Directions: heat a large non-stick skillet over medium-high. Sprinkle fish with 1/4 teaspoon salt and 1/4 teaspoon pepper. Add 1 tablespoon oil to skillet, swirl to coat. Add fish, cook to desired degree of doneness, about 3 minutes on each side for medium. Remove fish from pan, discard drippings. Do not wipe skillet clean, lightly tent fish with foil to keep warm. Heat remaining 2 tablespoons oil in skillet over medium-high. Add garlic, cook, stirring often, until light golden brown, about 1 minute. Stirring thyme and tomatoes, cook, stirring often, until heated through, about 1 minute. Add stock and beans, bring to a simmer. Add spinach in batches, and cook, tossing gently, until spinach is wilted after each addition. Stirring lemon juice, olives, remaining ½ teaspoon salt, and remaining 1/4 teaspoon pepper. Divide bean mixture among 4 shallow bowls, Nestlé 1 filled into each bowl.